where your notes are going to come in handy. Now, briefly, we're talking about a triangle from the scapula across the dorsal back, and then forming a triangle
From the last rib.
into the last rib. So, the important thing is to be able to identify actual landmarks. So, you're talking about using terminology like caudal aspect of the scapula, following along the ventral surface of the apexial muscles along the dorsal back to the area to approximately the last rib,
It
and
sounds
then
all
forming a
scientific.
triangle from the last rib
To
to the point of the elbow. Right? So it's that kind of thing, right? So I don't know if he's done any of this, have you? You should have.
Yeah, I know,
Yeah.
yeah.
So, that's just a sample.